Assalamualaikum beautiful people, this is your girl Seher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. And I created this look. It's a very warm sunshiny orange narangi look. So I created this particular look and I wanted to share the deets on how I did this look. Disclaimer, I am not a makeup expert or I'm not a makeup artist. I am also a makeup fanatic trying to learn along with you guys. So if you liked my video or if you liked anything, you can comment down in the comment down in the bottom box and let's get started. तो मेकअप स्टार्ट करने से पहले आई एम जस्ट डूइंग स्किन केयर जस्ट टू एम्फोसाइज हाउ स्किन केयर इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो यहाँ पे मैंने रोज़ वाटर अप्लाई किया है. नेक्स्ट मैं न्यूट्रीडर्म का विटामिन ई मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ कर रही हूँ. सो इसको अच्छे से मैं स्किन पे प्रेस कर लूँगी. नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग कलरबाज प्राइमर. इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्राइमर एंड इट्स अ सिलिकॉन बेस्ड प्राइमर, सो you can definitely try out. Next I'm using Huda Beauty's foundation. I'm in the shade Amarati, but I feel it's a tad bit dark for me. But जब मैंने ख़रीदा था तो I was tan. Right now I have shaded down because घर पे हैं तो फिर tan नहीं है, तो इसीलिए I have come back to my natural color. But any which ways it doesn't look that bad. Then next I am using LA Colors Pro Conceal, and I am just trying to cancel out the blackness on my eyes and around my mouth areas. By the way, Huda's is a full coverage foundation. Typically ज़्यादा concealer की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, but फिर भी since I have dark eyes, I did use that LA Colors. Next I am using K Beauty's contour stick, and I am contouring on the high points of my face and along the sides of my cheekbones and my jawline, also on my nose. Then I'm blending it nicely with the sponge. By the way, the sponge was bought from an Instagram store. I will link it down so you guys can buy it. So I did feel that I needed to lighten it up a little bit wherever I contoured so that it gives a nice shading. So I did that very so lightly. Yeah, I had got acne, so I was checking that. तो महीने का उस टाइम है तो फिर वो होता ही है. दैट्स ऑल नेचुरल. एनी विच वेज, तो स्विच वॉश फुश, आई जस्ट क्लेंस्ड इट. देन आई एम यूजिंग दी वेट एंड वाइल्ड्स blush. This is my favorite blush that I have from Wet n Wild. I had purchased it some time back. I did have other colors but they were expired, so I just have this one right now. Next I am using Maybelline's Fit Me powder just to kind of just to set the under eye so that they don't crease later on. But this is a complete matte foundation, so you need to prep your skin really good, otherwise it's gonna crack. And next I'm using Maybelline's highlighter. This broke during my Andaman trip, but I really like it, so I have kept it. And I'm sealing everything and checking everything out so that there is no patches, no blotchiness. And then I'm using Swiss Beauty's setting spray. I don't know why I set my face like that, but for some reason I wanted to set it, I guess, that way. So next I have zoomed in here and I'm using the Focalors Endless Possibilities palette, and I'm using a terracotta-ish shade and spreading it all over my eyes. And next I am going to be using the same shade to build it up a little bit more. Then I'm using Morphe's palette. This is Jaclyn Hill's palette, and I'm using a neon orange shade, and I am building it up all over my lid and a little more on the outer crease area. So I am doing that on the same other eye since I am running short on brushes, so I just use one brush itself. So I am using this orange shade again just to kind of pop it on the upper lid and give it a little bit more orangey look. So I'm going to blend that really nicely so it looks really pretty and evened out and has no harsh lines. So that's what I'm doing over here. After I am done doing that, I picked up a nice yellow shade from the same Jaclyn Hill palette. By the way, this palette is available only on certain Instagram stores, so if you want, I will link it down so that you guys can also purchase that palette. And on a good Black Friday sale you might get certain discount as well. So So makeup is all about blending, especially the eyeshadows. If you want them to pop, you will have to use an eyeshadow primer and then apply the whatever shades, and they will turn out really good. But if you have any eyeshadow that is not popping, the color is not popping as you want it to, just wet the brush a little bit. So I'm using the same eyeshadow primer and I'm cutting a crease, just like a wing on the top of it, and then I will fill in the rest of the eyelid, so that I can use a nice glitter shade. It will look much better with that. So I will do it on both the eyes and perfect it out. In the end, even if it's not perfect, you can perfect it in the last, so you don't have to worry if it is messy or whatever. So then I'm using this gold shade and using my hand to apply it. So I felt that the color was not popping as I wanted to, so I did, dampen my hand with the setting spray and then I applied it on the lid. So that way the color looked much better, and this was how the end result looked like. So I am doing the same thing, like blending all the three eyeshadows in the bottom. Then I'm using the same palette and using a little darker brown, since the the brow pencil was inside. So I'm just using the palette to use a dark brown color and filling in the sparse areas, using Iba Halal's liner to kind of give a wing. This is my favorite liner because I like the way the tip of the brush is, so I am using it to create a wing. I am not perfect at it, but I did try. So next I'm using Iba Halal's mascara. Again, this is a very beautiful mascara. It's not the greatest one that I've come across, but it's a decent one. So I am using that and I am filling in the mascara properly so it doesn't clump, so that's what is best. Next I'm using Sugar's metal matte lipstick. I will link down the shade below because I don't remember it at the top of my head, but I will link it down. It's a very beautiful formula. I really like it. It becomes matte but is not drying on the lips and is very comfortable. You don't get to know that it's on the lips. So this is how my final look is turned out to be, and I really liked it. I hope you guys liked it too, and if you did, please do subscribe to this channel. I am planning to create a lot more looks, getting out of my comfort zone and trying much more new looks for you guys, so please do like,